No, 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 no. You can't wear basketball shoes. You can't wear Jordans. You can't wear Kobe's. You can't wear none of that because you don't play ball. No, it ain't gonna happen anymore. It ain't gonna happen anymore. I've totally refused for people to wear this, and that's it. I'm the man that says whatever I want to say. Yes, because I am the Almighty. Does that even make sense to you, bro? I actually saw this. I'm dead serious about this, dude. I'm not even gonna put an intro on this because I have to get to the bottom of this, and I really need your opinion when it comes to this. Dead serious to see if I'm the one here thinking something. Maybe I'm the one that's incorrect. Maybe I live in a cave or something. I don't know. Because you have to be mentally insane to say such a thing like that. You cannot wear a shoe because you don't play ball? I have never heard any real professional NBA player, NBA, spell it out, NBA, National Basketball Association. I understand that by just bringing up the idea that you cannot wear an actual sneaker because you don't play ball in it, I understand that that is very difficult for you to understand and maybe even spell out anything. But the part I'm trying to understand is, it's what is going on in there. The same way that I heard it with SBs. You can't wear SBs unless you skateboard. Dude, let me put it like this, because this I'm telling you, I could destroy this real quick, but I'm gonna try to put it as simple as possible so these numbnuts could understand what is coming out of their mouth. Let's put it like this. You better stay on that court for the rest of your life with those basketball shoes that, like I said, unless you're a real NBA player, maybe they have some type of say so on this, but it ain't never gonna happen because they understand that shoes are for everybody, and anybody that wants to wear them. Just put this in your mind how bad this sounds, that literally they're saying this. And what about a person that's paraplegic? I know, guys. I get straight to the point. You're telling me that that person cannot wear basketball shoes? They cannot wear skateboarding shoes? They cannot love what they love? Is it their fault that that situation has happened to them in their life? Maybe out of birth, or maybe out of a tragedy that happened to them. I'm gonna go to that point. You're gonna tell me that bro, it's just this is the first time that I'm actually like baffled. Guys, I've been in this industry for many years, many years, and I have never in my life ever heard such a thing. I never, because what's going on in there? Is that how low you've gotten, that that's the only thing that you feel like you could grip onto in life, to gatekeep and say such a stupidity like that? It's just incredible. I'm dead serious. It's like my mind hurts thinking about this. Their level of IQ is so low that makes my IQ go down. I'm telling you, you listen to these people and you listen to the things that they say, and your IQ would automatically become 10. I'm dead serious about it. Because it's uncomprehendable, the stupidity of these individuals. Like I was saying a little while ago, you better stay on that court forever, bro, if that's the only thing you hold on to. Because from the moment you step out of there, you better never wear a pair of Air Maxes, a pair of Asics, a pair of New Balances. You better never in your life wear any of that, for the simple fact that you're not a marathon runner or a professional, I don't know, walker, or I don't know. It's just, you're not Andre Agassi, that plays tennis. I don't know. I just don't understand that. I truly do not understand how people have reached that level of nonsense to say, to the point that I honestly, guys, I'm not gonna beat around the bush on this. I'm not a giant fan of the internet. I've always said that the internet is what has destroyed this world completely. There's a lot of good in it, but at the same time, it has created these numbnuts to that point of saying whatever, like the trolling, the stupidity level, and then how funny is that people actually hear this nonsense and believe this, and it's true, man. It's true. It's true. It does not make sense whatsoever. I would gladly love for one of these individuals with a real profile picture, real deal account to post something saying something like that on this video, because I want the whole world to see the face of a Neanderthal. I want to meet the missing link. That's serious. The link between ooga ooga and and speaking. Dude, I'm dead serious, dude. I gotta meet this individual because this is crazy, bro. Crazy. The skateboard. Bro, when have you ever heard of Tony Hawk telling anybody, yo, don't buy my skateboards if you don't skateboard? Just imagine that. Bam Margera, him, Bob Bergquist, Bucky Lasek. These guys are my favorite skateboarders of all time. I skateboarded, but dude, I was not even remotely close to this. Dave Mirra and BMXing. I never heard any of these individuals say, yo, don't buy my shoes. I never heard Bam say, yo, don't be buying my Element shoes because if you're not a skateboarder. But the people that are nothing are the ones that say this to other people. I don't know what world they say this in, because honestly, I guarantee you that if you go to the wrong person saying this, you're gonna be toothless. You're gonna end up toothless. You're gonna meet a person that's not a dentist. He's gonna become a dentist. I'm that serious about this, guys. So I'm not even gonna touch on this subject ever again. I'm not gonna say ever because maybe it becomes even more of a crazy trend than what it is. But the simple fact of it's such a stupidity that I just feel like bringing it up. I want to hear your comments about it, your opinion about this, and maybe we get to see one of these missing links, real accounts only, no trolls, because I know obviously it's going to be a stupid troll. That there are other Neanderthals have nothing to do better in their life but to do things like that. But I'm talking about a real account with that. We got to meet the missing link between Ooga Ooga and regular society. We have to, where the IQ went from 0 to 10. That's what we gotta meet them, guys. We gotta meet them. Anyways, guys, I had to bring this up. I know it's the stupidest thing in the world, but give me your opinion, guys. Give me your opinion on this. I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Remember, guys, stay away from the drama and definitely stay away from those idiots that just make your IQ go straight down the pits of I don't know what. Peace. El cohete. Let me get out of here before the IQ goes. I'm out.